this is my definition of a theory of everything. A theory of everything is a recognizable, predictable, and describable pattern that occurs on all scales of objective observation and an explanation for such a pattern. Okay? I want to get to my one rule for this channel. And my one rule is this right here. Okay? That is never say the E word. Okay? Let's hear it again. The one rule of this channel is never say the E word. It's a bad word. The E word is esoteric. Okay? This word, regardless of its original meaning, is now just used to dismiss things as having some degree of truth, but also not being worthy of thinking more about because it seems complicated or it seems useless. This applies to nothing. Okay? Nothing. So, no saying the E word, ever.